Hi guys, thanks for your great support. Now I want to help you and give back to the Perth business community by sharing my lifetime knowledge. Can you think of anything you'd like to know a bit more of? I'm doing a regular vlog and it isn't limited to just marketing topics. Swimming, fitness, health, psychology, sports, cryptocurrency, shares, willpower, weight loss, constructive habit formation, mindfulness, yoga, stretching, pain management, learning a new language, futurism, self-development, public speaking, confidence, relaxation, relationships and friendship. These are some of the topics I know a lot about and can answer any questions for you on them. Just ask by shooting through a direct message or commenting on this video and I'll create video content to answer your curiosity. Have a great week.